everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video, I will teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Love in This Club by Usher. So yeah, let's start. Alright everybody, let's break down all the steps. So we're gonna start 8 counts, so it's easier for you to follow. So it goes like this. Face to your left, 7 and 1, 2. 2 counts, 7 and 1, 2, 3. Lift on 4. Drop on 5. Make sure your left knee is like this. 5 and 6. Then ball change, 7, 8. Give it. Yes? Okay? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you see? And 6. This is 7, 8. Let's continue from here. 7, 8, go 1, 2. Don't forget, don't wait. 1, 2. It's like that. You just 1, 2. Then this one is 2 counts. 3, 4. 3, 4, 2 counts. Go 5 and 6. This is quick. Go 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Remember that count. One more time from here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you 3, 4. 3, 4, out, 5, and lift on 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So from this one, 3, you need to wait, pop, 4, stay on 5, hit on 6, then head, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. Still pick up here, 7, 8, 1, chest, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. No, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, chest. 5, 6, 7. This one is 2 counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and. So this one continue here. 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a simple step. Let's start from here. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay on 5 and 6, 7, 8. 4 counts more. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Next, we finish on the difficult part. Now it's the easiest one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to grab. 5, lift 6, 7, and 8. Simple as that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now continue. Cross 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically it goes like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, up, down, and 4. Copy? Let's combine from Nene. So 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, up, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. I almost forgot. Alright. So 5, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, bounce, and 8. I was flying. Next, go 1, 2, 3, down, 4, head, 5, 6, 7, the 8. Let's continue from here. Isolation. 1, 2. Go 3 and 4, 5, 6. Go 7, 8. And that's all the choreography. Yeah. One more time. One more time. From 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, 7, 8. Pause. Up, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, very good. Now let's try everything from the beginning. Is everybody clear now? Here we go. From the beginning, super slow. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Here we go for count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross. 1, 2, down. 4, 5, hit. 7. Double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Yeah! Good job!
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on my video. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.